How to enable or disable repeat callers for Do Not Disturb on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we go down and tap on Notifications. After that, tap on Do Not Disturb. From here, scroll down and tap on Calls and Messages. From here, tap on Repeat Callers. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. When this is turned on, it allows calls when they're received from the same phone number more than once within 15 minutes. Okay, so after that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.